Hey guys, welcome to this new module of the product research course for dropshipping. And today we are finally going to research winning product together. The research routine you will put in place after this course is one of the main factor of your success in dropshipping. How should you plan your product research, or how do you organize your product research routine? This process has to be really well thought, defined, and executed. In your mind, it has to be clear. The goal of this process is to take out the guesswork and know exactly when you have to find winning products. And at the end of your product research each week, have a rule, have a list of products to test the rest of the week without having to jump back into product research. You don't want to be testing one product during your testing to wonder if maybe another would be good. No, because you know that you have done everything during your product research session and that you didn't miss any new product. Anyway, if you missed one, you are going to see it the next week. So what I'd advise you is to once a week at the beginning of the week, or maybe the second day of the week after reviewing the previous week metrics, you are going to search and list 100 potential winners or 20 and evaluate those products and then prioritize. And after that, we'll have a list of products to test for this week. So to help you with this, I'm going to provide you with the product list validator we use internally so you can use it for yourself. And we are going to jump into it right away and do some product research with this product validator. So first, as I told you, the first thing to do is to go on a search. And we are going to do free methods, paid methods. So first of all, we are going to look into some winning products using free methods. Hey guys, for some reason, my screen recording stopped working and I lost all the product research I just did. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump back into our free product research routine. And so, yeah, let's get back into it. As I told you, one of the first method is to look for winning products using AliExpress. If you are in a particular niche, what you can do is you can just look for your niche into AliExpress and see which products are performing best. This might not be the best example for dropshipping, but let's say you are into tools and improvement, home improvement. Yeah, this can be good. You want to see what is selling good. Here you will have a ton of ideas sorting by orders of potential product to sell. Problem here is you don't really know if it's from dropshipping or not, or if it's real people buying this. I know this is a huge winning product, for example. There is a ton of winners here. But that's not my preferred method to search for a winning product on AliExpress. And my favorite method is to go through AliExpress Dropshipping Center. And let me show you this. So I'm going to ds.aliexpress.com. This is a URL. You will find it in the course. And what I can do, so right now I'm in France and I'm just going to switch, for example, to the United States and to have other winning products. This is a very good source of winning products. One of the problem is that it's always the same products here. And so there is not a lot of diversity, but if you're new, there is a ton of products to be tested here. So what we're going to do is to, for example, sort by sales because we want products that have been selling really well. And we are going, for example, this would be a nice product, this, for example. And so what you can basically do, this 73 euros, it's definitely too expensive. This one was not found. So I'm going to find this one, for example. So what you can basically do here, you can see the sales, you can go to the analysis of the product. So you can see many sellers selling this product and how much it has been selling. So this is definitely a winner. It's a bit saturated, I know it, but we are going to analyze it. So what you need to do at this stage of the search is just to list a whole lot of products. So we are going to open this one, but you can open every single product on AliExpress and then you are going to analyze them. Let's say, right now Q4 is coming, so Christmas, so maybe I'm going to take this one too because it's a nice product for Christmas. And I'm going to head to my product research. And as I told you, my recording stopped working, so I actually already did the free research here and processed all the analysis, but we're going to just do it again. And what I'm going to do, I take the URL of the product, I'm going to put it in supplier link. It's, I would say, comfortable shoes. And now supplier price, we're going to say, so it's let's say $4, because it's really important to add the shipping price because some sellers don't take this into account. So there is like multiple ways, like in dropshipping, I would say it's either you put a very cheap price and an expensive shipping, or a very expensive price and a free shipping on AliExpress. And that's what they have to do. Here we are not going to look for the best suppliers. We just know it's like almost 3,000 orders. And right now what we need to do is look for similar products. So to look for, we just need to know how much this is selling. And one easy way to do so is just to do a right click and search with Google Lens. And this way we are going to see some competitors. Here, it's not like I'm just going to do this and no result for this zone, but like the picture is really low in terms of definition. So I'm just going to do this another time. Okay. So it's selling for, around like 22. This is like an exception. 22, 40, 20, 22. So let's say 20. We're going to sell this for 20 to be like competitive. As we are looking this from AliExpress, we don't have any winning ad or a winning competitor website to put. That's why I love Spy Tools, because you already have all the things here. But yeah, using this method, it's not possible to have it right away. So I'm going to put my second product. It's so $8, and we're going to just have a look on Couper ici. And we are going to look if we can find this exact product, let's say with this, or for example with this one. I'm not using the images here because now you can find it with on Google Lens, but sometimes it's not possible. So it's like 50, 40, 50, 35. So I would say 40 would be a good price. Oh, but actually that's because the product is really expensive. It's for 100 meters, 30 meters, just to have an idea. So for 30 meters, it's 24, 27, and it's selling for 40, 24, no, sorry, 40. Here I said the dollar too much, and 24, 27. 27. So it's dropping low. And let's stripes. And so you have the idea. Here we just have to list and to put the price so we don't have to later. And actually for the last one, we're going to do it. So it's 4, 7. I'm just doing, this is the goal of this is to be really quick. So you have to input a lot of product. And so how much is it selling? 16, 17, 18. This is just to have an idea of how much you can sell it for. And so sometimes the link here, when you add it, will put a picture here, sometimes not. It's an automatic formula. So that's how you get some products from AliExpress. And here you will find some good products. The goal is to list all of them. And in the beginning, especially if you're using free method, use multiple free methods. Second method we are going to use is the organic product research. And for this, I added in the file a list of hashtags that you can use to find winning products. There are always a new hashtag, but those are the main ones. So I'm just going to go to TikTok, and what we're going to do is, first of all, to cut the sound from the website, and we're going to search for TikTok made me buy it. And so, for example, would be a good example, but it looks like it's like more of an influencer placement. So Fabio Guerra and the spine plank. Okay, so link for the backcracker. So we're going to use this, and this would be the ad. So we're going to list this first. So spine plank, 30 USD. How much is it selling on AliExpress? So because we need this as a first information, we're just going spine plank or spine cracker. Okay, it's sold for 16, 12, 13, 13. 13 and it's sold for 30 USD. Okay, 13, 30 USD. This is an example of a good one because it has been sold really well. It's 13. I think I have some 44 pages because I'm based in France right now, and so I don't have any. I'm thinking that's why AliExpress is blocking me. So Spine, Blink, good product, lot of engagement. As you can see here, it's been 3 days already, 200,000 likes. So we're just going to go and TikTok, maybe buy it. And yeah, there is a lot of things of products you can find here. After, like, when you do this research for a while, you will be able to know if the product is saturated or not, if it already has been selling a lot of times. But for now, what we need to do is just to do some product research. Okay, I'm just going to the reusable ice cubes. Okay, nt.com. So it's not this. We're not going to waste our time. We're just going to use, let's say, another hashtag. Let's say Amazon must have. So you can use several of them to find your winning products. So let's say portable. I want to look for a recent post. So this is from August, I think. And 6, 8, 9. All those are really old. So I want videos. And of course, all those are winning products that you can test. But I would like some new videos. And again, that's one of the advantages that's one of the advantages of an ad spy tool, is that you directly search for what trending now. I'm going to use another hashtag. Let's say Amazon finds 3, 4. It's complicated to find some recent TikTok made me buy it. And so we're just going to look for, like, for example, this. Okay, so TikTok made me buy it, like the weighted blanket, and actually that's a nice example. And this is a weighted blanket. So it's sold. Oh, is it really like a weighted blanket? Actually, this is some Amazon affiliate, so we're not going to take this one. We're going to take, okay, like a security camera in a light. Okay, this can be a good example. As you can see, it's been 1 day, sharing a lot. Where can we purchase? When can we purchase? Okay, and okay, feeling safety. Oh, this is a nice branded store. So 40 euros. Definitely some drop shipping. So what we're going to do is, oh, you see, they blocked the right click. So this is still a very good product. So convey to your website, selling for 40. Actually, the USD is pretty much the exact same as the euro. So I don't need to do the conversion. And so light, bulb, camera. I'm sorry, I'm sure it's not the best way, but here, as you can see, it's around like 20 euros, and they're selling it for this amount, for twice the price. And of course, like, obviously, if it's a really good store, they're going to, and I'm just going to take this one because it looks like a very good seller. Eventually, this will work again later on. And this would be the winning ad. I just want to know where to find the best creative for this. So security camera ad. So this is how you should do your product research the free way. I just showed you how to use, like, several methods. As you can see, you can find some products, but you don't know the saturation. You don't know which creative are really working best. Of course, you have an idea here, but you don't know, is it a really new product? It's complicated. Like, we spent like 15 minutes and we only found like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And those are not winners. Use this at the beginning. Don't pay for a product list. Don't pay for a subscription that send you supposed winning product. Just use this. You will find some good products. It will just take a little bit more time. But after that, use spy tools. And that's what we're going to look for. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use spy tool, which is the best product research method.